We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up CELH stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle in the market is a bullish green candle coming from an area of support of a pattern. So we do have price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall. Lower lows. Midpoint. Second level highs. Third level highs. So price action, current price is sitting at 113.04. Okay, so what we're looking for is price to break up further. So we're coming from a pattern. So a major SR line that is coming from, which it did break that price, is over on this side, is coming from the price of 101.55. So price action has broke that major area resistance. So now we waiting for that area to break and retest. So we're looking for that market to break, as it already did, 101, to return near 101 to push up further. Okay, so there's a pattern that formed below that. So let's draw out what we see. So below price, the pattern that we do see is coming down in red is the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Third last candle is a retest. And then market pushed up to the SR line. It did break the 101 mark. So it's right now currently sitting at 113. We do want to see that market push up above 113, come back to that mark of 101.55 or near that area, and for market to fully break out. Now, let's say if this market is rejected at the numbers near 113, and it comes down, it'll be coming down from overall pattern of that first leg, second leg, third leg, and we'll see that fourth leg formation. And that creates that double bottom, double top. Walking down to the weekly time frame, we have price action on the weekly time frame as a bullish green candle. So market is on the SR line of the overall. So market did consolidate on that. So what we're seeing is that the market did break up into it. Second last candle retest, price action pushed. So we do have the engulfment of the previous side, so that market can work its way up further. Let's zoom out a little bit. So we do want to see that market. So that market did break and retest the SR line, but we do want to see that market fully break out that SR line to come back near that SR line and return to push up further for the full breakout. So we do have the engulfment, but it's still reading that price action, second, third, fourth last candle is in consolidation, is inside one another. So we want to see that breakout. So that market is consolidating. So as we walk down the time frame, we want to see what the market's going to do. Is it going to break out, come back to retest, work its way up further, or will it be rejected near this area, the SR line, break through the opposite side, identifying a double top, retesting, coming back to that overall price of 101 to coming back down to maybe up to that midpoint of that area, and we'll see what's going to happen there. On the daily time frame, we have price action as a bullish green candle coming from an area of support, still on that SR line, so it's still in that consolidation. So let's draw out what we see before we talk about the numbers. So we do have that overall first leg, second leg, third leg, and market pushed up for that fourth. Okay, so we do want to see price fully break out of all the bodies and wicks to the previous side. So we want to see price, I think it already did, broke out of 111.47. Yes, it's sitting at 113.04, but we definitely want to see that market to identify some type of support as we walk down the time frame near 113, or we'll see that bullish candle push up further to retest near that area of 110 and then work his way up further. So we're looking for a break and retest of that area, or a doji to identify a support for that market to push up further. On a 4-hour time frame, we have price action as a bearish red doji or a weak candle side by side with the second last candle. So market's consolidating. On the 3-hour time frame, we have price action as bullish green candle with the second last candle being a bullish green candle. So markets is consolidating price second to last candle side by side. So we'll discuss what's going on. So we did receive that break, so we can see below price is a pattern. We do have that first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushed up once. Now if it's rejected here, market's coming down, okay, for a full retest. If not, it will push up further for a retest and come on up. But we already got a retest with the second last candle. All we want to see if it's going to break out with a bullish green candle to engulf the previous side. Current price once again is at 113. We want to see price break above the 114.59 mark for that mark to work its way up further, or maybe identify some type of candle that market is going to push. But so far, this could be an area of support or it could be an area of resistance. So price second, third, last candle is consolidating. On a 2-hour time frame, we still have the same thing with the consolidation of price second, third. But what's happened is that between the third and fourth candle in the market, it pushed up. Second last candle retest. Price action is trying to break above the second last candle. 1 hour still reading the same thing, so we see receiving that consolidation within that area, still waiting for the break on the 1 hour time frame or a pattern to identify itself. 45-minute time frame, we have price action as a bullish green candle, so we definitely want to see it engulf the previous second, third, to fourth, to fifth, to last candle in the market, so it can break above that area. You want to see it break above at least to 114 for that full breakout, and that'll identify that first, second, third. The market breaks above 114 will identify an area of support to push up further. Now, if not, that market can be rejected at that area. We'll talk about it on a 30-minute time frame, which could be identifying that overall first leg, second leg, third leg. If it's rejected near the numbers of 113, markets could come down. But if you want to see it break below 111 for that market to work its way down, identify a pattern that is going to push down further. On the 15-minute time frame, we have price action, second last candle, still consolidation. So market's reading the same thing as we walk down. So there's a few structures that's forming. First, second, third. Is it going to break out, or is it going to be rejected for a first, second, third and push down for that double top? 5-minute time frame, price action, second last candle, still reading. The market's still reading that consolidation. Fourth to last candle is a wick push up to that top. So that market tagged overall first, second, third, fourth, retest. So if price doesn't break above the fourth to last candle, and that's the price sitting at 113.32, and identifying a closeout with the candle, market can be coming down from that triple top in that area. But price action is a bearish red doji with a support at the bottom, so it can be respected for price to identify a bullish green candle to engulf that previous side. And if it breaks above the numbers of 113, it can head up to the numbers of between 114 and between 114. On a 3-minute time frame, still looking for that engulfment pattern to the previous side. So market's trying to form that pattern, still looking for a price to identify and engulf the second last candle. On a 1-minute time frame, market's coming from that support. So far, market will look like it's working its way up to that previous area of support of price sitting at 113. Current price is at 113. Want to see price head up to 113.30, and that's on a 1-minute time frame. So market is creating that support first, second, third, and market's pushing up so far with that fourth leg. Price action is engulfing the second last candle, showing that the market can push up to 114.30. I think we added that. Please study Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. CELH Stock.